favorite dummy lock gate was still dummy locked. God bless.
Hello. Welcome back to Destination X. Today Ange and I are off to try to find yet another cabin. Yet another one that I've known about forever and still never been to.
In 200 meters, turn right.
Also, like our previous video of, well, if it is our previous video, one of our last videos of going to the Airbnb and Century Sam, and there we mentioned that everything
turn right
to happen in threes. Same with this cabin, hopefully, because I've only ever tried to get into it with you. The first time we tried was like November 2 years ago, which was, we randomly got into a whole bunch of snow, wasn't expecting, and then tried June of last year, and there was a big hole and a washout in the road that I possibly could have made it around, but just there was already pouring rain and borderline snow in June up that high up, so we just decided to call it quits and go back down to the river, and it was sunny and everything, so good call. But so hopefully this time, third time's the try, third time's the charm, we get there. Stay tuned. So already we're doing better than last time, because the washout that stopped us last time has all been fixed. Obviously it's been over a year. So let's test out, make sure we don't fall through. Great engineering. Nice dirt packing. I like it. Oh, I hate this jet front. Oh my goodness.
Robert's trying to find another abandoned cabin, so he's gonna fly the drone over to see if we can see it, because he's not entirely sure, clearly. I don't know how looking through a ton of trees is gonna show him, but... Is he... Oh, he looks confident. We are almost at the cabin, thank God. Just up this hill.
Finally made it to this cabin that I've been wanting to get to forever, and that the two of us have tried to get to twice now. Third time's charm, like everything. So we've already checked it out, but now we're gonna film it because I'm in love with this one. So far, just, you know, rating this cabin, the only downfall for me, at least, is big Chungus Xterra. Can't really make it directly to the cabin. Like I'm sure I could get through this part here if I had someone guiding me and whatnot. Over this, blah, blah, blah. Also, a classic camera, doesn't look like much, but it's a pretty big drop. You can see vehicles have literally, there's tread marks along this log just to get down. It's kind of tight through here. And this keeps going, and then, like, once again, I'm sure I could make this, but at the same time, it's just a bitch. This road here was already testing me, and then I feel like this is about as far as it would go. So props to the guys that have gone in here, whether they're straight axle swapped or not. But this is just a, like, once again, camera doesn't look like anything. It's literally just rock crawling steps Jump down, jump down, jump down. Don't feel like doing that in the Xterra. Or you have this. So yeah, so far, only downside. So can't get right to the cabin. But look at that view. Maybe a little porta potty. And everything. I'm gonna do a full walkthrough like MTV Cribs. Like, this place is unreal. Elevation of 1100. Pretty much, you got these rock, like solid rock mountain behind you. Not gonna name what mountains this is, but yeah. Oh, got a butler opening it up for me. Fresh firewood, nice Pacific Energy, fire, stove, everything. Of course, everyone writes their names all over, like who would do such a thing. And then brief description of the cabin without showing the actual cabin name or anything. Worth it. This place is pretty unreal. You got speakers, lights set up, focus, speakers, lights, light strip. If you want to set up a mattress or something. And then you come out here on the deck. And this is what I've mainly seen photos of over the years. And this is unreal. Like I've said in past videos, I won't give out coordinates, directions, anything, but if you know the area a little bit, you can hunt this down on Google Earth, judging by maybe that lake, maybe the ocean, because that's what I did. Here you got your little fire pit, once again, with a killer view. Cabin. A porta potty, I'm not gonna go and show you, but you know, it's a toilet seat on top of a chunk of plywood that everything goes down there. Cool. Math. And they even have like power set up. Guys bring their generator, plug it in right there, and then you got power to all the lights and the speakers inside. Just the amount of time and effort put into this one is unmatched. And it's fairly maintained. Like that window's been smashed out. Guessing it was smashed out, but possibly could have been from wind or debris. Obviously, stuff like that's gonna happen over time. This place like gets a lot of snow up here because it's mainly a snowmobile cabin. So understandable that kind of the bottom area is gonna break down a bit with all the terrain, environmental stuff. And then this over here, please comment if I'm completely wrong. But looking at this looks like just a hose set up. I'm wondering if they use this as like a shower, because that one little note inside that I showed that says like clubs come here and stuff. Wondering if like, yeah, if you're staying here a long time, that's your little shower. And then this hose goes underground through the cabin, out front, and all down there. And I kind of lost it, but I'm guessing it might feed into some form of water source a whiles away, and it then somehow either you're just having a cold shower or it is for like it's heated up somehow. So I'm thinking either that or maybe possibly for hunting. I've never hunted, so I can't really comment, but I could see maybe you hang a deer in here or something and you wash it down, wash the guts out of it. I don't know if that's a thing, but yeah. Yeah. I originally wanted to camp up here, but it's just not really in our plans today, so we don't have time and everything. So it's just kind of gonna be a day trip. And the fact that I can't get right to the cabin, I'm kind of glad we're not camping, because then just be up on the road and it's, I don't know, not as fun. Great time of year, honestly, to come to, because trees are changing color. It's gorgeous. What do you rate the cabin?
Oh, of all of the cabins,
Yeah.
Maybe 7.2.
Okay, which is your favorite?
The one that we drove up to that's a little bit more of a cabin, less of a house.
Okay.
I'm just cleaning up these screws. I found this. I'm putting them in it.
Oh, nice. Nice. Very nice. 7.2?
Yeah, 7.2.
Okay, she gives it a 7.2. I don't know what to rate it out of 10. But I'm trying to think of all these cabins I've been to. This definitely in my top 3. One, because it's pretty much in my home backyard, overlooking like my parents' house and whatnot. That's one. And then 2, I've wanted to get here forever. I've said this in I don't know how many videos, but 10 plus years is my go-to because that's when I was in high school that long ago. And that's how long I've known about this place. So yeah, it's definitely my top 3. Anyways, we're gonna have bite to eat. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. It's getting dark and cloudy and freaking cold out here. We're gonna have a bite to eat and then see. Might be more video, might not. I don't know. So getting here was really rough on my vehicle. It's like all gyprock pretty much. The last little strip when you're just like doing switchbacks all the way up here. You were seeing some of the drone just before we got to the cabin. It's like incline, gyprock, and then like washouts, and like not just the common gyprock, which is like max size of my fist. More so, it was like boulders. I'm like, I'm not a rock crawler or anything, but anyways, probably did some damage on the X. Yeah, I don't know why I'm saying this, but I messaged a girl on Instagram just before we came here that she came here about a month ago, and I asked her if she knew about any bypasses or any different ways to get here other than the one I knew, and she didn't, but she just told me that the last strip is pretty rough. She's like, it's doable in 4 high and whatnot, but like it is pretty rough, and it was pretty rough, and I had to use 4 low in one spot because I just 4 high, I was just don't have blockers or anything, but X made it. So yeah, Nissan. One thing that I forgot to mention about this place too is with me knowing about it for 10 plus years, whatever, is like it's one of the ones that out of all the places that I've found and I've marked down my maps, it's one of the places that I've like tried the hardest to scope out on Google Earth and everything like that, and really pinpoint down, because without getting like coordinates or whatnot from other people. So yeah, that's another plus of this place. Just because like even when you look at it on Google Earth, it's pretty like how we're in a cloud right now. It's pretty much really dark and you can't really see it in the trees. I'm wondering if more trees have been cut recently or fallen down or something, because I feel like even on Google Earth it looks like there's more trees around. Ew. What's up here? So that's where part of the power is coming from. There's a solar panel right there.
Shout out if you see your name in here and you're watching this video. Robert put his somewhere. Oh yeah, there it is. Destination X. Oh my gosh. Shout out to myself for cleaning this area. Looks a little better. Whoever left their garbage in here, shout out. I put it in the garbage and put the nails in here. Yeah, just did my good deed for the day. And I hung up that stuff over there. That's our mess, but it's fine. Woohoo!
Nice. Keep it clean. So.
You put your pants on.
Yeah, it's chilly. But I still only have my Birks because my boots are muddy and soaking wet from country sham. It's like a competition on who can open it quicker. Jesus. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to open. It's from the front, I thought.
We got cheers.
Cheers or Sammy's.
Cheers. Lunch with a view.
I'm the view.
Yeah. What do you rank your sandwich?
I really like these sandwiches. I've gotten these so much.
Really?
So many times.
I took half of mine out, so not much in it.
Just green. One thing forgot to mention is this place also randomly has service. Like full service. She FaceTimed her parents showing them the cabin. Wow.
But nowhere leading up to it or like away from it.
Yeah, true. Maybe there actually might be a tower right up top there.
Also, did you show them the... Somebody put a cooking pan around the...
Oh, yeah.
I thought it was cool. To help with the smoke, I guess.
Sparks.
Hello.
Make sure it doesn't restart. And she thinks this is a really important part to show the soup, as she says. Little diced tomatoes, some linguine noodles.
I think it's just cool that they have storage locker things. Like,
Yeah,
what about what's
storage.
under there?
I don't think that opens. Yeah, there's no hatch. Right?
Well, there was
But there's
another
one
one.
here. It says like red soda cups.
Oh, and some pillows.
Yeah.
I saw another one somewhere.
Well, outside, underneath this.
Oh yeah.
Or
There's one underneath the...
next to the next to the toilet out there too. This is probably supposed to be for firewood, but everyone just puts firewood there. Yeah.
Yeah. Not much wood in there.
A lot of respect to the people that take the time and effort to build these things and continue maintenance of them and everything. I don't know what that is, but I'm guessing it's some type of heat barrier or material that is, so that's cool. Leave that alone. No?
That
Little
was
things.
English.
Do you want the road here? I said this already, I think. The road here really beat up the X and tested my anxiety, my anger. I don't know. Tested me. So I don't know if I'll be coming back that way again, but I do want to come here again. So potentially, if I can find a shorter way, maybe come here in the winter and snowshoe up or something. That'd be cool. I don't have a snowmobile. Like
I don't think you could snowshoe. It took us like 3 hours.
It's a common place for snowshoeing and cross country skiing. I'm saying, like, if I take that other main line there, that's blocked off for vehicles. I feel like it wouldn't take me. I wouldn't come the same way.
Yeah, I
It'd
guess
take
you don't have
forever.
to go with the road, yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, I was just saying to Ange that it might only be my personal opinion, but I think this spot, this view, this cabin, this everything is too good to pass up on doing a good video. But at the same time, I A, suck at this YouTube thing, and B, don't know like what I would even talk about.
Insert drone footage here.
Yeah.